Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to 4 Apex Plus processes for the year. 4 companies that have scores in excess of 850 in this cycle, indicating sustained excellence and focused continuous improvement aligned to business excellence. To do the honor, we would like to once again welcome Mr. Jayant Murthy, JMD Kaizen Institute Sen, and Mr. Ajay Tandon, member of advisory panel IMexI. Please get your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as Mr. Murthy and Mr. Tandon join us on stage. So, Mr. Tandon is also the former Managing Director and CEO at Tata Autocomp, General Manager GE, Godrej and Boyce. So, ladies and gentlemen, we move to the first Apex Plus prize. Surging ahead with disciplined ownership and craftsmanship built on trust, this powerhouse has delivered EEI down from 2,356 to 456 defects per vehicle, slashed from 6.67 to 1.45, and customer satisfaction ranking rising from 4th to 2nd, all driven by flow-stable lines, mature daily management, breakthrough problem-solving, digital-first governance, and a Kaizen culture that refuses to settle down. Further, they are conferred a silver prize in the Smart Manufacturer Initiative, and we would like to invite them on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, this powerhouse that we are talking about is none other than Ashok, Leyland, Pantnagar. Please get your hands together as we have the team on stage. Congratulations. May we have a 30-second acceptance speech?
It's really very humble and privileged to accept this award, I think, 2nd year in a row. And we are increasing the score as compared to last year. And I think that's the mantra of continuous improvement that I believe that benchmark ourselves and improve every year how we did last year. So that's what I think the credit goes to the entire team led by Mr. Vishwa and entire Pantnagar team. And we are looking forward to all the inputs which we have received from Mr. Raghavendra and the entire Kaizen HealthSci team to look forward that next year when we come with further as a better Ashok Leyland Pantnagar team. Thank you very much. And I think when it comes to culture, we should also look at the Kaizen HealthSci team has also completed 25 years this year. So I think a big round of applause that they are also consistently serving to India and helping many organizations to become better and creating the global competitors. Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations once again, ladies and gentlemen. That is Ashok Leyland Pantnagar. And on that note, we would like to say a big thank you to Mr. Tandon for joining us on stage. Thank you very much, sir.